Hey guys, so I got the Radian with the WolfWhoop WT03 attached, as seen in my previous video, and here we go. Let's take it out for FPV. Hey guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. I had to stop because the wind is starting to pick up a little bit, but no, it was fun. I mean, this camera is pretty good. I'm gonna go back and see what the footage looks like. Whoa! So that was a lot of fun, better than my first experience. There was no distortion or noise that I could see through the FPV goggles, and this mount totally helped stabilize it. Jerry rigged it with the elastics. I turned it up from 25 milliwatts to 50 milliwatts so I could get better range and less noise, because I was flying out I don't know, probably about 70 yards that way, where those white goalposts are, and going in through the trees and stuff like that. So flight times, I was getting on one battery maybe about 5 minutes or so. At 50 milliwatts, the camera is sucking up a little bit more power, but the batteries I'm using are 220 milliamp hour. This field is much better for practicing proximity. There's a couple of trees over there that are not too close to each other. As in with the previous video, it was just the trees were just too close, and for a slow flyer like this, it's not like, you know, really agile. So I need a lot of space between trees to move around. But either way, this has been really fun. I may try and do some mods to it to get to fly a little slower. Maybe add some like flaps in the back here. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.